Someone says one sentence and the room nods, except you. Something in you pulls back. You just watched the line between credible and careless get drawn in a single breath. Intelligence isn't what you know, it's what you refuse to say. Today, we're deleting 7 phrases that quietly lower your status, damage trust, and make you look less self-aware than you really are. Catch them once, replace them, and your reputation changes fast. You're watching Stoic Inspire, where modern minds meet ancient wisdom. Phrase 1, I know everything. Certainty feels strong. It reads shallow. The moment you claim complete knowledge, the sharpest person in the room stops taking you seriously. Real expertise sees layers, trade-offs, moving parts. It hesitates, it asks. What it signals? You've stopped noticing how much you don't know. It's the overconfidence trap, right when humility would make you formidable. Say instead, here's what I know so far, what am I missing? That single line preserves status while inviting better data. 5-second scenario, you're in a pitch. Instead of chest-out certainty, you ask one surgical question. The decision-maker leans in, doors open. 24-hour challenge. Before every answer today, ask one genuine question. Curiosity isn't the opposite of competence, it's the evidence of it. Phrase number 2, I'm just being honest. Honesty without wisdom is cruelty in costume. People who hide behind this phrase care more about being right than being useful. You call it truth, others experience it as an attack, and then they hide information you actually need. What it signals? You lack the discipline to deliver truth to the right person at the right time in the right tone. You mistake shock for strength. Say instead, I have concerns, can we walk through them together? Same truth, now constructive. Framework. Intent arrow, evidence arrow, partnership. Here's my intent, I want this to succeed. Here's the evidence. Here's how I can help fix it. Micro-story. A teammate misses a deadline. Public blast in the group chat. The work gets worse and the team gets quieter. A private DM with intent arrow, evidence arrow. Partnership? Trust rises, problems surface earlier, and quality goes up. Pattern interrupt. Quick question. Are you telling the truth to help, or to be seen helping? If even one phrase you use just got exposed, that's a good sign. Tap like so YouTube shows you more tools that raise your signal, not your volume. Phrase number 3, that's just how I am. 5 words that freeze your development. We rebrand habits as identity to avoid the effort of change. I'm always late. I'm just blunt. I have a temper. Those are choices repeated, not traits carved into stone. What it signals? Comfort is running the show. You've confused a pattern you built with the person you are. Say instead, I've struggled with this and I'm improving it. Identity becomes a practice, not a prison. Make it real. Tie one new behavior to one old routine. Chronically late? Arrive 5 minutes early and write one sentence in your notes. I respect people's time. Repeat until it's true. 24-hour challenge. Pick one, that's how I am, and turn it into one measurable change you can execute today. Tell one person your new standard. Phrase number 4. No offense, but... Translation. I know this will sting, and I'm doing it anyway. The disclaimer doesn't disinfect the cut, it advertises it. Everyone tenses, nobody hears the point. What it signals? You confuse bluntness with courage. You outsourced empathy and called it just being real. Say instead, may I share a thought that might help? Happy to do it privately. Same honesty, different impact. Stoic triad before you speak. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? If any answer is no, recalibrate timing and tone. 5-second image. No offense is like honking before a crash. Everyone braces. The damage still happens. Phrase number 5. It's not my fault. Sometimes true, often an escape hatch. When nothing is your fault, nothing is your responsibility, so nothing is under your control. You trade temporary ego protection for permanent powerlessness. What it signals: you're collecting reasons instead of results. You abandon the locus of control. Say instead, here's what I could have done differently. Here's what I'll do next. You separate what you can't change from what you can, and you move. Tool, do it on paper. 2 columns, outside my control / within my control. Circle 3 items in column 2. Spend your week there. One-liner that sticks. If it isn't your fault, it isn't your future either. Phrase number 6. I don't care what anyone thinks. People who truly don't care don't announce it. The loud claim is usually armor over insecurity. If criticism rattles you for days, you care deeply. What it signals: you crave validation while pretending to be above it. It's a performance. Say instead, I care about feedback from people I respect, and I ignore the rest. Discerning ears, quiet ego. System. Choose 3 trusted critics. If feedback comes from them, you listen fully. If not, you move on. No subtweets, no explanations. Pattern interrupt. Quick check. Screenshot your last week. How many responses were for signal and how many were for performance? Phrase number 7. I never make mistakes. This is the express lane to failure. If you can't admit error, you can't extract the lesson inside it. Pride becomes a prison. What it signals: you value image over truth, preservation over progress. Say instead, I was wrong. Here's what I learned, and here's my adjustment. A mind that updates is a mind that grows. Post-mortem ritual, 30 seconds. 1. What worked? 2. What didn't? 3. What will I do differently next time? Keep it brutally honest and blissfully short. The pattern beneath the phrases. All 7 branches grow from one root: ego protecting itself at the expense of truth, claiming total knowledge, hiding behind identity, confusing cruelty with honesty, performing indifference, dodging responsibility, denying error. Each one prioritizes comfort over growth. Stoic reframe. Wisdom begins with intellectual humility, not I'm terrible, but I'm still learning. The goal isn't to win arguments, it's to build character. The tool isn't noise, it's discipline. The practice isn't perfection, it's daily correction. Field guide. Say this instead. I know everything. Here's what I see, open to better ways. That's just how I am. This is hard, and I'm improving it. No offense, but may I share a thought? I'll keep it respectful. I'm just being honest. Here's my concern and my help. It's not my fault. My part is blank. My next step is blank. I don't care what anyone thinks. I value wise feedback. The rest is noise. I never make mistakes. I was wrong. Here's the adjustment. Read these aloud once a day for 7 days. Watch your default language shift. 7 fast scenarios team debate. You feel certain. You say, here's my take, and what am I missing? New information appears. Chronic lateness. You catch, that's just me. You arrive early, announce your new standard. Trust rises. Hard feedback. Intent arrow, evidence arrow, partnership. The relationship strengthens and the work gets better. Public critique urge. You ask, help or be seen helping? You choose silence or a DM. Project failure. 2 columns. Circle controllables. Act. Momentum returns. Online hate. Not one of your trusted three. You move on. No performance. Bad call. I missed it. Here's the fix by Friday. Credibility grows, not shrinks. Master your speech, and you begin to master your mind. Master your mind, and your life starts to align. Quietly at first, then unmistakably. Catch the phrase. Choose the upgrade. Repeat. The power lives in the pause between impulse and response. And that pause is a muscle you train every day. If even one phrase fell off your tongue in the past week, hit like, so this reaches people who need it. Comment one line, the phrase you're deleting this week, and the replacement you'll use. Subscribe for weekly lessons drawn from Marcus, Seneca, and Epictetus, translated into moves you can use today. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay humble, stay stoic.